Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and edit a Craigslist post you have already posted on the website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Craigslist website if you have not already by going to craigslist.org right here, and this is automatically going to open up this new main page where at the top of the screen you can go and select your location if it hasn't already been automatically selected. So once you have opened it up, this is what the main page is going to look like. So we can go ahead and access all the posts we have made by going right here in the upper right corner and clicking our account option. As you can see, you have posted ads before by clicking the post an ad option, so every ad that you have created using this option right here is going to appear in your account tab. So going to the upper right corner, click on the profile icon, and if you have logged in, it's going to look like this. If you have not logged in, you want to log into the account from where you have made the postings. So once you've logged in, this is what it's going to look like. Here at the top of the screen, you're going to have your postings, drafts, searches, settings, and so on. And as you can see them right here. So once you open up your postings, they're going to look like this, where you can go and take a look at all the posts you have made. It's going to show you the postings, the area, and so on. You're going to be able to access them. So click on those postings right here. I do not currently have any postings, as you can see, so I cannot access them, but if you have them, they're going to appear in a menu like this. Open them by clicking on them, and then you can get started editing them, changing their title, prices, and so on. It's all going to be doable right here, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.